The tornado tag is underway. Any strategy you would utilize in this type of match, King?
Well, so many things are different about this type of match than a normal tag match. But one thing you don't want to do is leave your partner alone and get a 2-on-1 advantage.
Booker T. Collar and elbow tie-up.
Oh, a nasty chop. And thus far, it's been all Booker T.
I'm pretty sure the thing that motivates Booker T is that wife of his. I wouldn't want to have to face her after a loss.
Christian into the headlock. Neither individual is going to back down here. The Frankensteiner. Christian has the arm. Christian squeezing down on the head.
That's a move that'll knock you out cold.
Will he tap out? Will he submit to the camel clutch here?
Hey!
And he fights out of it. He breaks the hold.
Oh, mama! He's a man who feels right at home, tangled up in barbed wire. Whoa, watch out! The announce table is getting torn down.
Christian from behind. Tag team contest underway. Both of these teams have been very game so far. Ooh. This doesn't bode well. Oh my gosh. What's going to happen now?
Nothing good.
Chainsaw.
Oh, I don't like this one bit, Colder.
Oh no, the table imploded from the impact. Oh, back to the head, back to the temple. Controlling the arm.
The more punishment he takes, the slower and slower he is getting back to his feet. Really zeroing in on the leg. Oh, submission.
Look, look.
Hey now.
And he wills his way out.
Back into the ring now.
Again, no countouts. These competitors can do whatever they want outside of the ring.
Look at this. Big bulldog. Here's a cover. I think Christian needs his peeps now more than ever. Chainsaw's in jeopardy here.
The attack on the skull continues. Oh my, what a move! Chainsaw Charlie.
Booker's caught him.
He's setting up.
Like Booker's sizing him up.
Booker, scissors kick upside the head. And that should be it. 1, 2. And an easy kick out for Bret Hart. Christian putting his body, his soul on the line. Face first. That's just nasty. No one home for that one. That Irish,
oh my gosh.
Head first off the post.
And we're going back into the ring.
And this is going to return to the ring.
Oh no!
Oh! Now back to the ring.
Whoa, look how groggy he looks. He's in desperation here. Bret Hart is among the WWE elite when it comes to pure technique.
That chop turning his chest a deep purple. Whoa, this could be trouble. These athletes seem to have tried. He's begging for it.
Bret's in trouble.
He's in a bad spot here. This could be bad. Wait, what's he doing?
Oh, look at the emotion. I've been in the ring with the Hitman, and let me tell you something. This man is always planning 2 or 3 steps ahead. You give him time to think, and it's over. Booker's got him.
Booker T wins.
Here are your winners, Booker T and Chainsaw Charlie.
An incredible match. It took tremendous fortitude to survive this elimination.